Hello, Moo. Hi, Moo. You.
Oh my god.
Moo. Moo. That's a very nice Moo. You need to stop it right now, Moo.
You're retarded. Don't lose the hole.
Wait, where is it?
It's right there. Just stop. Come here. You're ruining it. Come here. It's right at the tip.
Okay.
Breathe it in.
Hello, no.
Squeeze it. That is the hole. It's right there.
It's not working.
Jimmy, go. Just put it up to you now.
Hello? Hello? Okay, it's working. Alright.
Don't waste it.
Hello? Hello?
Alright. You're stuck. You're making a hole. Making a hole.
Rihanna, hey. Hi.
Do it.
Moo. That's a very nice of you to do, Moo. Hey.
Your voice is so funny. Hey. We're running out.
Hello?
You have to squeeze it. Look, we're losing it. Timothy, stop. The hole is right there.
I don't know where the freaking hole is.
Timothy, you're off the hole. There's no hole.
Rihanna, there's no, gap in here. It's just...
Okay, then poke it right here.
Hello? It's not working.
Poke it right here. Where's the fork? Give me the fork. Here, hold this. Forget it. Come here.
Wow, it
Pop off the balloon.
Right here.
You chill out.
I'm Anthony. Here, try some helium. Get that nice away from me.
Here, try it. Get that nice one. Right there. Take that. Oh my god! Take a hold.
Oh my god.
Your voice is the lowest. Stop.
I don't believe this.
Where's Tyler?
I don't believe this.
Where's the hole? Timothy!
Hello? Hello? Hey,
Wait,
Last little bit. Here, hold it. Okay.
Oh my god, I have the last bit of the helium. Yay!
look at all the...
Wait, the last bit for David.
Ah, dang.
David, get the last bit. Hurry.
No more.
Get all of it. Every single drop. Squeeze it from the very bottom. The bottom has more.
Go.
Wow.
You suck.